Ndongo isya ulei ni siabitho ikatangaza mukite iwo wa kibela cha usumbe mwaka ni ukite na sindani mo mulengo ni wa broad-based maikane na kihubu cha kukalata ulei utangaza mukite iwo wa usumbe uroka mwenu cha musumbe William Ruto usa kwa nini wangili limeongole na mwonza ingi ndongo ini siya dhana siende ya kuiki asilikali kithimini bate kutele mwaka na kuthoewe wia la mawe tamatuku maa musumbe William Ruto usumbe ni no maa methenye metale maya siya kuwaluka kwambe kwa silikali ino kwambe ya maonyubanini manini ala maokite Benjamin Mwaka no kutwambeza
ndongo iso lei nesiende ya kuthingirila zina haraka kana mituke mbingi kutangaza mukite wa kivela cha usumbe na mulengo wa utetu wa broad-based ni mwailovo sianae eno ete lo tangazo lei mwaka ukite kumana mutongoi humola siamasyo ndeo leine sietikilana kumutwe katawa mukite wa kivela cha usumbe uloka mwenu cha musi imwe kwa imwe President William Ruto.
Our joint presidential candidate or lineup is our prerogative. We will do so as and when we decide to. Sometimes next year, that will be our secret weapon.
Inene ya vailovi ndongo ini sialumililia nisi kuende ya kumikeli ya silikali na itelemu na vanini ni silikali kuisila mavuti na kuvuluka haki siate chalame uleine ni maweta midana ya President William Ruto kivilani ni mitale.
As the united opposition, we will not be silent as our country is auctioned. We will not bow down to intimidation. We will not allow the proliferation of fake news and propaganda to define our time. We will not allow a nation built on liberation to be destroyed by deception. Mr. Ruto, together with your team, you're on borrowed time. #one term is not just a reality, it is an eventuality.
Na pia na uleini kana kivoko chambe cha President William Ruto na nyanya MP no broad-based ni maonyuvanini manini ala mokite malamata na kuvindilia silikali na siya mailasi ukomoni umwe na UDM.
We want to also ask IEBC, now that they're properly constituted. There are many constituencies, 6 of them. There are many wards that remain unrepresented, almost 16 of them. After they were sworn in, we expect them to issue a roadmap, particularly on these by-elections immediately. Many of them are waiting for that date, so let them do that. And when you want to know that this will be a truly one-term administration, it will start with the by-elections.
Onuyovo ni makulia muvia wa kulunga udhukumi wa mofisa mavojiswa aipoa ukunikile no inenga na aki kwa mituku kwenye siku siya kuna maazwa na kuwadhanga hateti molei wa chuma hamuvetu.
After the Halloween attack, the united opposition presented irrefutable evidence to the Independent Policing Oversight Authority, IPOA, on this criminal assault and attempted assassination of our leaders. We expect IPOA to treat this evidence with a grave concern that it deserves. We therefore expect IPOA to hold the commanding officer who led this assault accountable. The Inspector General of Police, Douglas Kanja, and Interior Cabinet Secretary, Kipchumba Murkomen, must be held accountable. The buck stops with them.
Vilingo mavo kumavamo sinilovi nyenito Benjamin Mwaka.